Good evening, all. My name is Shalini Fernandez. I am assistant professor in the College of Nursing in Mangalore. I have been working here since 12 years. I have joined EduSkills 6 months ago, and I came through EduSkill by a renowned person, Father Saleen Joseph, who had visited our college to give a talk. I was just impressed by his talk and the sincerity and the simplicity what he had. I had never seen a teacher like him. I just fallen in love with his teaching. Then I decided to follow him. That evening, I called father and got his number and entered into EduSkill. The unique thing in EduSkill is the experiential learning. What I say is, we are given ample opportunity to bring out what we want to say or what we learned from the EduSkill. There was nothing which is wrong or which is right, but it was a platform where we could freely explain what we understood. And definitely, I am a proud member of this EduSkill platform. And I can say, in my first attempt, I could crack OET, which was not happened in the previous experience where I had with other institutions. I strongly recommend people around the world, if at all you get the opportunity, please enroll yourself in EduSkill in order to develop your total personality along with OET preparation. The best thing what I liked with the mentor Father Saleen was, he is a kind person with lot of patience. Every teacher need to have a patience to understand what their student needs. And this was typical in our mentor. I learned his qualities and I could see the tremendous changes that had happened with my students. EduSkill is an icon in my life, and I would say that whatever time you spend in EduSkill will never be a waste. There are a lot of institutions which are making education a business by making the students to pay a lot of money, but the output is zero. Whereas EduSkill is a free, non-profit platform where each and every person is given equal chance. But it is our responsibility to give 100% to get 100% from this platform. And the unique thing, the way the father put forward the strategies are tremendous. And it is easily absorbed by each student, I can say. Again, I will tell you, I am a proud member of EduSkill and I would recommend each and everyone to join this EduSkill platform. Believe me, there will not be a waste of time and there will not be a regret if you become a member of EduSkill. Apart from this experiential learning, what I learned in EduSkill is the people in the EduSkill are having the we feeling. We support each other. We see that the welfare of other matters the first. We sacrifice our time, our talents, and our knowledge to bring up the students who are there in EduSkill. Why and how it is possible? It is possible because we could admire our mentor. His strategies are very useful because he comes to the level of the student. Even if he is a big scholar, he is a highly educated person, but he becomes one with the student. And EduSkill is a platform you will never get anywhere in the world. This is the best platform, and I can say at present we have almost 17 to 18,000 candidates who are enrolled and who are getting free education from this institution. What else you want? Ultimately, the end of the day, we are fully satisfied and we are satiated with the knowledge of OET. That is why I can proudly say, being in 2.5 months, getting training in EduSkill platform, I could crack OET in a first attempt. And also, I can say that EduSkill had developed, strengthened my talents, and I became a student faculty where I could improve or contribute something to the welfare of other. This is what I would say. And finally, I conclude saying that hats off to EduSkill, and we really bow down to our mentor, and we pray long life to our mentor, Father Saleen Joseph. Thank you.